In the intelligence age, learning has changed. Parents and teachers now spend countless hours supporting students overwhelmed by homework, struggling to stay focused, and falling behind in a fast-paced world. Meet Curiominds, your child's AI-powered learning companion. Personalized, adaptive, always by their side. With Curiominds, students build their own learning journey. Set goals, learn confidently with guidance, and grow their second brain, an evolving AI partner that adapts to their pace and style. As a parent, stay in the loop. Track milestones, celebrate progress, and support their growth without micromanaging every lesson. For teachers, Curiominds unlocks insights into each student's journey. No more one-size-fits-all, just the right challenge at the right time. Powered by proprietary memory AI, Curiominds helps every student remember, revise, and recall as they grow and thrive. A safe space for continuous learning. And because privacy matters, Curiominds gives you full control of your data. Secure, transparent, yours. Consolidate knowledge that truly becomes yours. Let curiosity lead the way. Consolidate knowledge that truly becomes yours.